Everyone talks about postpartum depression, but there is another struggle that often goes unnoticed, unrecognized, and undiscussed: the prenatal depression. When people think about pregnancy, they usually imagine happiness, excitement, and anticipation. But for some women, pregnancy can also bring overwhelming sadness, anxiety, numbness, or feelings of hopelessness. Prenatal depression is a depression that occurs during pregnancy, and because many of its symptoms like fatigue, sleep problems, appetite changes, and mood swings overlaps with normal pregnancy experiences, it often goes unrecognized. What makes it even harder is the expectation that pregnancy should be a joyful time. Many women feel guilty or ashamed for struggling. That's not fair, actually. They may wonder why they feel sad during what others call one of the happiest times of their lives. But the truth is, gratitude and depression can exist at the same time. You can be grateful for your pregnancy and still struggling emotionally. You can love your unborn child and still feel overwhelmed. You can be excited about becoming a parent and still have difficult days. Pregnancy is more than a physical journey. It's also an emotional, psychological, and life-changing transition. Hormonal changes that occur, the financial stress, the relationship challenges, the health concerns, past traumas, fears of childbirth can all contribute to this prenatal depression. Sometimes it even happens when everything seems fine from the outside. So my women out there, if you have experienced prenatal depression or if you're going through it right now, remember this: your feelings are valid, your struggles are real, you're not weak, and you're not alone. When women feel safe talking about their mental health, they are more likely to seek support, receive treatment, and realize they're not alone. Maternal mental health doesn't begin after birth. It matters throughout the entire pregnancy.